Join me as I dive into the challenge of proving why the helicopter is the coolest machine ever. From rescue missions to military operations, helicopters have proven to be an incredibly versatile and significant machine in various fields. They're capable of accessing remote areas, navigating through tight spaces, and performing a wide range of tasks that other aircraft can only dream of. Whether it's saving lives, transporting troops, or simply offering a unique perspective, helicopters are truly one of a kind. When people think of helicopters, they often imagine complicated systems, difficult to handle, and limited in their capabilities compared to other aircraft. Some might think they're slow, cumbersome, or even dangerous. But the truth is, helicopters are often misunderstood. In reality, they're incredibly sophisticated machines that require skilled pilots to operate them safely and efficiently. The complexity of a helicopter lies not in its difficulty to fly, but in the subtle nuances of aerodynamics and angular momentum that make it possible for it to take off and land vertically. Another misconception is that helicopters are slow and can't keep up with other aircraft. But modern helicopters can reach speeds of over 250 miles per hour, making them more than capable of keeping up with other fast-moving machines. And when it comes to maneuverability, helicopters can do things that other aircraft can only dream of, like hovering in place, flying backwards, and even performing advanced aerobatic stunts. Then there's the idea that helicopters are only for military or rescue missions. While it's true that they play a vital role in these areas, they're also used in a wide range of civilian applications, from medical transport to tourism, and even in agriculture and construction. The truth is, helicopters are incredibly versatile machines that can be adapted to fit almost any situation. The engineering marvel behind helicopters is truly awe-inspiring. To understand how they work, you need to appreciate the physics of flight and the way that rotor blades generate lift. It's a delicate balance of forces that requires incredible precision and control. When you see a helicopter take off, you might think it's just magic. But in reality, it's the result of years of design, testing, and innovation. In the real world, helicopters are used in a wide range of scenarios, from search and rescue missions to medical transport and disaster relief. They're able to access remote areas that other aircraft can't, and their unique capabilities make them essential in emergency situations. Whether it's navigating through treacherous terrain or flying in extreme weather conditions, helicopters are truly the unsung heroes of the aviation world. Take, for example, the heroic rescue mission of a helicopter crew who braved treacherous storms to rescue a group of stranded hikers. The pilots expertly navigated the aircraft through dense fog and powerful winds, using their advanced training and skills to locate the hikers and bring them to safety. It was an incredible display of bravery, skill, and teamwork, and it's just one example of the many amazing things that helicopters can do. Or consider the incredible aerobatic stunts performed by professional helicopter pilots at air shows around the world. These pilots push the limits of what's possible, performing heart-stopping flips, rolls, and dives that leave audiences gasping in amazement. It's a testament to the incredible versatility and agility of these machines, and the skills of the pilots who fly them. You combine the unique capabilities of helicopters with the skills and bravery of their pilots, you get a truly unstoppable team. Whether it's in emergency situations, military operations, or simply pushing the limits of what's possible, helicopters are the coolest machines ever, and it's not hard to see why. So, what do you think makes helicopters the coolest machines ever? Leave a comment below with your favorite helicopter moment, and don't forget to check out another video on aviation technology.